In the ever-evolving landscape of digital currencies, Stellar, or XLM, stands out as a beacon of innovation and inclusivity. Stellar connects the world's financial systems, empowering individuals and businesses globally. The Stellar network facilitates fast, low-cost transactions across borders. Lumens, or XLM, power the Stellar network, enabling seamless and affordable transactions. Stellar transforms cross-border payments with low fees and fast speeds. Beyond money transfers, it supports remittances, micropayments, and asset issuance, bridging traditional finance and digital assets for an inclusive future. At its core, the Stellar network is a marvel of decentralized technology. It operates as a distributed ledger, similar to a blockchain, where a network of computers, or nodes, work together to validate and record transactions. This decentralized nature ensures transparency, security, and resilience, as no single entity controls the network. The Stellar Consensus Protocol, or SCP, the ingenious algorithm behind the network's consensus mechanism, sets it apart from other blockchain-based systems. SCP allows for fast and energy-efficient transaction confirmation without compromising security. In simpler terms, it means that transactions on the Stellar network are processed within seconds and at a fraction of the cost of traditional methods. This combination of speed, affordability, and security makes Stellar an ideal platform for facilitating global transactions. Whether it's sending money to loved ones overseas, making business payments to international suppliers, or enabling microtransactions for online content creators, Stellar provides a seamless and cost-effective solution. The traditional system of cross-border payments is often slow, expensive, and opaque. Sending money across borders can take days, if not weeks, and involve hefty fees charged by intermediaries such as banks and money transfer operators. This antiquated system disproportionately affects those who can least afford it, such as migrant workers sending remittances back home. Stellar is revolutionizing cross-border payments by providing a faster, cheaper, and more transparent alternative. With Stellar, transactions can be settled in seconds, regardless of the geographical distance between the sender and recipient. The minimal fees associated with Stellar transactions make it an attractive option for individuals and businesses alike. Moreover, Stellar's blockchain-based system provides greater transparency and accountability. Every transaction is recorded on the public ledger, allowing for easy tracking and auditing. This increased transparency reduces the risk of fraud and errors, fostering trust and efficiency in cross-border transactions. Section 4. Empowering businesses and individuals through Stellar. Stellar empowers businesses and individuals by providing access to financial services. Businesses can manage international payments, streamline supply chains, and access new markets. SMEs benefit from reduced transaction fees and improved cash flow. Stellar also promotes financial inclusion for individuals in underserved regions. Section 5. Stellar's impact on global trade and supply chain management. Global trade, while essential to the world economy, often suffers from inefficiencies and a lack of transparency. Traditional supply chains involve numerous intermediaries, complex paperwork, and lengthy delays, all of which add costs and increase the risk of errors and fraud. Stellar's blockchain technology offers a transformative solution to these challenges. By leveraging Stellar's platform, businesses can create more efficient and transparent supply chains. The ability to track goods and payments in real time on the Stellar network reduces the risk of fraud, improves inventory management, and streamlines the entire trade finance process. Imagine a world where businesses can track the movement of their products from the factory floor to the end consumer with complete transparency and security. Stellar makes this vision a reality, empowering businesses to optimize their supply chains, reduce costs, and enhance customer satisfaction. Section 6. XLM and the rise of micropayments and digital commerce. The digital economy demands micropayment solutions for seamless small-value exchanges. Traditional systems' high fees make microtransactions impractical. Stellar's Lumen, XLM, powers next-gen micropayment platforms. XLM offers fast, low-fee transactions for tiny amounts. This benefits content creators, platforms, and consumers. Imagine tipping a blogger or paying for app features without high fees. XLM makes microtransactions seamless and cost-effective. Section 7, Stellar's Vision, a more inclusive financial future. Stellar's vision extends beyond improving financial systems. It aims to create an inclusive financial future for everyone. Leveraging blockchain, Stellar builds a global network empowering direct transactions. This is crucial in developing countries with limited banking access. Stellar's platform creates financial products for the unbanked. From mobile money to microlending, Stellar empowers communities. Stellar revolutionizes financial interaction, creating an equitable future.